All right, in this video, we're going to show you what you get inside the Conversion Pros here with the Capture Page Creator and Landing Page Creator. So realistically, it's only about 3 steps to get started. We have all step-by-step videos to show you how to do everything here, but I'm just going to click on the Add button. As soon as you do that, we have templates that automatically come up. You're going to see templates. Some of them don't have video. Okay, these are just static templates. And then we have 2 button pages with a video. These are more landing pages, so you could have a call to action where you can say, okay, go to this button and it'll take you to this website, or go to this button and it'll take you to another website. So maybe you say, well, get a free sample, click the left button, join my team, click the right button, etc., etc. As you scroll down, we also have video capture pages that you can take any YouTube video and pop in a video in for a capture page. And then we have pages that have videos to the left of the form. We have videos on top of the form. We have some that have bullet points, some that don't have bullet points. This video capture page has actually 3 videos. This one is just side by side. We scroll down and we have capture pages that even have 2 videos. So you can do a 1, 2, or 3 video. You can make that a capture page or a landing page. Let me just show you how simple it is to build any of our pages. I'm just going to scroll up. I'm just going to click on one of the templates here. Now we have a template. So over here is just the editor function, okay, which makes it real easy. The first thing you're going to do is title your page. Let's say capture page overview. Then what I would do is name the page. Now, it says, where do you want it to redirect here in this box? So when anybody fills out this form and clicks on the button, what website do you want them to go to? You could type into, yourbusiness.com, or you can even daisy chain and select the business that you already have made inside of the Conversion Pros, okay? Which means you can create an entire funnel system. Mail campaign. If you want to select any of we have a built-in autoresponder that you can name. And so when someone fills out the form, they'll start getting that series of messages. But check this out. The form settings, you can collect name, email, and phone number, or you can just get name and email just like that. Or if you want to build a landing page, you can click none and just have a button with no form whatsoever. So that makes it really cool as well. Now, here's where it gets really fun. To change the background, we have an image gallery set up. So we have all these categories: bizman, bizwoman, city, credit, computer, crowds, gold, health, makeup, mobile, mom, money, shopping, skincare, trading, vehicles, water, women, weight loss. About everything you could think of is here, okay? Motions is fun. So let's just click on this one. Okay, and we have tons of awesome images built in. All these galleries have different images. So, we could just choose any of these. So let me just grab this one here. All I'm going to do is click on it. And as soon as I click on the image, it will automatically get put as the background of the page right there. So again, I could go back in the gallery. I could go and choose anyone that I want, and instantly with just one click of the mouse. Here, let me show you again just to make it easy here. So I could come here. Let's say I wanted to target maybe women that are looking to make some money or something. Let's say I wanted this image right here, or this image. I can instantly click on that, and again, it turns it right into the backdrop of the page within a second. Now, if you didn't like any of these images, you can actually provide your own. Let me show you something. I can go to Google. Let's say I wanted to do a beach. I can click on images. I'm going to look for images that have reuse rights here. And so let's say I like this picture right here. I could right click on it, copy image address, and come back over here and hit provide background and hit paste that image. And immediately it will change it to the background. Okay, just like that. Well, let's say I don't want that. Also, we have ways to do video backgrounds too, which is really cool. So check this out. So inside the Conversion Pros, we have a resource tab. You click on video backgrounds. We have tons of videos. Let me just grab Let's see, this roller coaster's fun. We have videos set up for about every category out there: money, travel, water, weight loss, stock market, coffee. I mean, you name an industry, we have it. Okay. You come back over here, you just paste this in this box, and I'm just going to hit save. And you could build pages that actually have videos as backgrounds as well. Just with one click of the mouse, it makes it very easy. Or if you wanted to, if you didn't like any of the videos we have, you can go over to YouTube and you could take a look at almost anything here and just find a video. And I could take this video just like this and I can paste it right in the box and hit enter. Whoop. I actually meant to hit save, not enter. Okay, Lander's been saved, so check this out. And I just grabbed that right off of YouTube and immediately put it in the background. Okay, since now that I have this background here, let me show you how easy it is to edit the page. So I can click on this edit text button, and maybe I'm in a travel deal. Get paid to take luxury vacations. All right, now what I can do is I can come over here and we have tons of fonts built in. So I can actually scroll down through all these fonts and even change the font. See that? See how it changed? Let me go here. So every page is 100% customizable. Works with any business, any product, any service. And because you can change the text so easy, you can make every page look unique to what you want to do. Okay, now let me just change this next line of text. Get paid to take luxury vacations. We pay every single Friday. All right, now what I can do is just click edit. And check this out. I can actually make this font bigger. So if I want to change this, I could just scroll this little bar here, no technical skill at all, and it makes it bigger. Now if I want to come in here and I want to change it, again, change the writing, I could change the writing to any font you want, make it real fun. And I mean, you know, I could scroll down here. I mean, you can see how many we have built in, just a ton of them. Okay, we pay every single Friday. Maybe I want to make that more green. Check this out. So we have a text box. See this slider here? It slides up and down. You can select any color you want. Okay, let me get this Caribbean blue waters. And then I can even go in here and just change it to the greens I want. But I'm going to do this Caribbean type blue and hit choose. And then we have text shadows. Watch this. I'm going to change that one to black. But watch this. As soon as I do this, you can see the text start popping off the page. Or you could do what we call a spread feature and make it kind of glow there. So you can see that. We pay every single Friday. Now, I'm just going to edit this some more. I'm just going to say, just watch our presentation. I'm going to turn that to white. I'm going to make that a little bit bigger. I'm going to come down here and grab a different font just to make it a little bit cooler. You know, one of the things we also have is a background box. Watch this. So I can actually add a background box like that to make certain text stand out. I can even come over here and hit italicized and really make this page pop. Now, if I didn't want some texture like this writing here, I can just hit delete. Okay, take a free tour and learn more. I could keep that. I could turn it white. You can change what it says. But I want to show you this box real quick. If I double click on the box, I can change the writing. Maybe I don't want to take a free tour. Maybe I want click here. Or get a free sample or whatever you want to write there. You can. Now, I'm going to change this because we don't want a yellow box here. So you can move the attribute editor around too. So the background, I don't want yellow. I'm going to go more for that blue-green color we got going on there. And for a background shadow of the button, I'm going to make it black. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to make it kind of glow. So when I go like that, you can see it kind of glowing there. And so when I hide this, again, here's kind of what the page would look like. that you can send out. Now remember, if I just want to capture name and email, for example, I just come up here and just go, bam, name and email. You could use this with our own built-in autoresponder, or you can use it if you want to use Aweber or GetResponse, you can, although we have a great autoresponder built in to the system. And again, you can change all the backgrounds. We have tons of backgrounds. You can add your own backgrounds. You can add. We have tons of videos, or you can add your own videos. You can change all the text, all the fonts, all the colors, all the backgrounds, all with one click of your mouse. You will not find an easier system that looks so high-end like this. You do not need to know any HTML code. You do not need to have anything confusing. Everything is basically one click of your mouse. And so that's an overview of the the static pages here. Now let me go back and let me show you one quick thing here on the how you do a video page. So if you wanted to add a video page, let's say you can scroll down and do any of these pages. I'm just going to scroll down to I'm just going to scroll. I'm just going to use this one right here. Okay, so this is one of our video pages. This happens to be one where the video is on the left-hand side, and then you have the form on the right-hand side. Well, I could actually go here if I want. I'm just going to take this video, hit Edit, paste, and then the videos all have a code. So watch this. So let's say this shark video was the video that I wanted as my actual video. Maybe this was, you talking about your opportunity. Well, you can do that, and then because you have the scuba diving video here, let me just go here and let me just click on travel. Let me find travel here. It's sitting here somewhere. We got tons of, okay, great travel page. Okay, maybe I want to do a beach, so I can select that, and in a second here, you'll see that I have a beach background. Kind of hard. The beach is kind of hard to see with the video page. So let me go back in here and select something else. Let me go back to travel. Or let me show you some of our texture pages, because our texture pages is really cool too, especially if you're doing a video that you really want to stand out. So we have all these crazy textures that you can grab, and they look very, very cool here. So let me just do this, and you can see how that makes the video really stand out on the page there. Again, you can change all this text, what you want it to say, all the buttons. Now on this page, what's showing up really clear too is you can actually add your social buttons, your Facebook, your Twitter. So if somebody doesn't want to opt in, they could add you here. But here's what's really cool too. Maybe you want to make this a landing page. So maybe they already went through one of your capture pages, and then you want to send them your webinar. So you can have a page like this. Let's say it's your webinar. You notice there's no form here because you already got the contact information where they can click this button to join your business, but then you could add your social. Let me show you how easy it is to add your social networking. So you just go down here to social media, and then you would type user ID. Okay, and you hit continue. Notice I only put Facebook in there, so it's only showing me Facebook. But if I went back to social media, and then I wanted to add Twitter as well, I could just type in and then you got Facebook and Twitter. If you didn't want any, you could delete them. Again, you could delete all this text, anything you want, all the colors, change the color of the button, change the color of all the text. Very, very easy to do on the Conversion Pros. We have step-by-step videos that show you how to do it. It just makes it very, very dynamic. Also, for advanced users, if you want to do any SEO with it, it's built in, or we have tracking codes. So if you know what a tracking pixel is, or you want to add any tracking to your pages or your landing pages, you can instantly do that by just copying and pasting right in there. So we make it super easy. So again, it's super easy to add a video and that. Now, let's say you wanted to add a video background. Let me just show you. I'm going to take the same video here just to save time. But I can actually go over here and add the background video. Got to save it real quick. I wouldn't do the same video on top of video, but just for the sake of time, I'm just showing you how cool this is. Let me hit Save Lander here. And you could have one video playing right here while they're watching it and motion video behind them. That's another feature that we have built inside the Conversion Pros. So it's pretty much the most robust capture page, landing page system. You can actually daisy chain these pages together. You could have multiple pages pointing at each other. Again, everything is customizable. So once you get inside the system, once you try it for $1 and get inside the system, we have tons of training videos on how to make some really awesome pages. And believe it or not, we even have share codes with pages already made, and you can just copy a code in and have pages instantly done for you inside of the Conversion Pros.